Thank you so much, Anamika, for sharing your journey. It was very inspiring. So some of the key points that I took from your journey were, number one was the job layoffs that you discussed about, that they are
Yeah.
very difficult, and it's very inspiring that you didn't give up. Even in those difficult situations, you came out of your comfort zone and started this business for your family, which is very inspiring for me. And
Thank you.
another thing that you also mentioned, that you didn't have experience in the online space in marketing, and
Yeah.
the skills were completely new for you, and you
Yeah.
still went for it because you wanted something better for you and your family and your growth. So
Absolutely.
yeah, so my question is, as a complete beginner in the digital marketing space, did you ever struggle with self-doubt or limiting beliefs, and how did you overcome them?
So that's a very good question. And I would say yes. And it's interesting because that self doubt kind of comes not only in this business, it kind of comes from your childhood. I kind of feel that we are all raised in a way that you are more afraid, scared than we are confident to go out there and chase our dreams. Because even when I was growing up, I wanted to be a fashion designer and I ended up in IT. So yeah, I never had guts to face my dad and tell him that no, I don't want to do, because that's how we have been raised. That we have
Yeah.
always been behind or been scared. So that self doubt kind of comes from that childhood. So yes, I was having a lot of self doubt. I was getting scared, and in the business when I started, I was not sure it's gonna work for me or not. But I think as me personally, I have been doing this. Like even as a kid, when I was facing a lot of challenges, I was not the best student. I was an average student. So I've been struggling with all those things even as a child. But always I kind of pushed myself because I knew that if I will not push myself, there's no growth. I will be stuck where I am if I'm not going to push myself. So I have to take that challenge, even if I am self doubting myself, even if I feel that it's a constant thing. It's everyday thing. Every day I wake up and push myself that I got this, because every day you feel, and it's like, that when you're working, you go to job, it's a instant gratification. You every month you're getting paycheck and you feel
Yes.
money is flowing in. But when you start your own business, being entrepreneur is not very easy, but it's rewarding, right? So even if you initially don't see a lot of results, eventually it brings more and more, where your job cannot give you that returns, in even if you got a lot of promotions and everything. So I think that's what keeps me going. Even if I have a lot of self doubts, I get lots of self doubt that it's difficult, I cannot do, I cannot face, but I keep pushing myself every single day, whenever I'm down, when